Hi, I'm Katie Walker and I'm going to show you how to pronounce the sounds of the English language. You can use this video as a reference in the English language classroom. Sounds are the building blocks of any language, and by putting them together you form words. For example, if you blend the sounds t, a and p together, they form the word top. In a classroom situation, we refer to this as sounding out the words. Children need to learn to identify the sounds of English in grades R and 1. This is best achieved through songs and rhymes which help them to isolate the sounds. For example, I'm going to the zoo, zoo, zoo. You can come too, too, too. Now we will go through the correct pronunciation of the phonic sounds in the English language, alphabetically. A is pronounced a as in apple, a. B is pronounced b as in ball, b. C is pronounced k as in car, k. D is pronounced d as in dog, d. E is pronounced e as in egg, e. F is pronounced f as in frog, f. H is pronounced h as in hat, h. I is pronounced e as in injection, e. J is pronounced j as in jam, j. K is pronounced k as in key, k. L is pronounced l as in leaf, l. M is pronounced m as in mat, m. N is pronounced n as in nest, n. O is pronounced a as in orange, a. P is pronounced p as in pot, p. Q is pronounced qu as in queen, qu. R is pronounced r as in ring, r. S is pronounced s as in snail, s. T is pronounced t as in tree, t. U is pronounced a as in umbrella, a. V is pronounced v as in vest, v. W is pronounced w as in watch, w. X is pronounced x as in x-ray, x. Y is pronounced y as in yo-yo, y. Z is pronounced z as in zebra, z. When children begin to read and write in their additional language, they already know how to decode words and sounds in their home language. What they need in their phonics class is the opportunity to apply their decoding skills in English. For example, blending known sounds to make words. Children also need to learn where sound-spelling relationships are different in their home and additional languages. For example, if you blend t and h in English, it represents two different sounds, th as in thank and th as in that. This is different to the sound which t represents in African languages, for example, tata. Let's try some common blends. A blend is when you put 2 or 3 letters of the alphabet together to form a new sound. For example, k and h together is pronounced ch as in chair. S and h are pronounced sh as in shoe. When you put w and h together, it's pronounced hua as in whale. Now that you have learned the correct pronunciation of the English alphabet, I hope that you will be able to apply this knowledge in your classroom. Good luck and goodbye.